Hello, my fellows. Welcome to this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, still Tuesday, October the 6th, 2020. We have 3 Sudokus left, 1 binary and 2 tectonics. This one is a tectonic, and this will be a number 1701. Yes. And what kind of a binary is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, then 1. Double O, here 1, then 1. Double 1, here O, then O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here O, then O. Double O, here 1, then 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, then 1. We have now 4 1s in this column, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here O, then O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here O, then O. Double O, here 1, then 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then double 1, here O, then O. Double O, here 1, then 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, then 1. Then I cannot continue. Double 1, here O, then O. Yes. Then I need to compare. I think I need to compare. Yes. No. Alright. 101. This column and that column. 1 1 empty box. 0 empty box. 1 1 0 1 1 0. So we need to switch this digit and that digit. With an O here, this should be a 1. With an 1 here, this should be an O. Alright, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then. Need to compare again. This one and that one. 0 1 1 0 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these two numbers. We have an O here, so this should be an O. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. And then need to compare again. Well. Yes, this row and that row. Empty box 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 empty box. So we need to switch this digit and that digit. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. With an O there, this should be a 1. Alright. A lot of comparing. Still not complete. Compare again. Well. 4 3 O's. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finish in 5 minutes. Wow, this one is a lot of comparing. This binary, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the 2 last tectonics of this editional. Thank you. See you later. Bye bye for now.